episode 7 of Cat Crafted. Speaking of kitties, my kitten just came up to me. Little kitten. Oh. Sorry, Ethan, that's another death counter.
Hey, kitten craft. I have your bucket.
Okay.
I just called you kitten craft, by the way.
Yeah.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, pretty much.
Is that a copyrighted skin again, John?
No, it's not copyrighted. YouTubers don't use that.
Gotta get my sword and my slabs back.
Hang on.
What is... Oh, is this your safe way down?
And up.
There's been a safe way up this whole time.
No, Todd just created it. It's very slow going up, though.
Yeah, you can.
I'm gonna die when I go down.
Bye.
Let me.
Okay.
Take a door.
Come on, guys. Everyone go down to the bottom of the mountain. Near the creeper hole. Do you see the creeper hole? A creeper hole?
I can't get out.
Guys, do you see this creeper hole?
Put the trap hole back.
Guys. Todd, look behind you at the mountain. Do you see me? Oh, I already popped out. I'm gonna try and build a little pond. Or something. Oh wait, yeah, I got my things from him. It's fine. I don't have any more emeralds anyway. Kylo Ren, can you move, please?
We don't have lava yet.
You mean obsidian? We don't need lava for a nether portal.
Yes, you do. You need lava to make obsidian. Yeah, and there's a way to do it without using diamonds. But we need 2 buckets and a lava source and water source.
Alright, let's see how many 9.
You didn't know you could do something like that? Also, guys, this little pool, Kylo Ren, why are you building it like right outside of my house?
I got rid of the.
It's safe to say the average point in our area, the average. It's
Okay, guys, I have a crawl space tunnel up and down the mountain.
89 is 89 Y coordinate.
Also, guys, I have a safe crawl space tunnel up and down the mountain.
Where?
Oh, Todd, that's actually a really good safe way up and down.
Here,
Yeah.
Todd, follow me. Todd, follow me. Down here.
I don't have any wool, by the way, so I can't make a bed yet. Why did I decide to build my house? Henry, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Where are you? Oh, I see ya.
Is this a good enough house?
See, and then if you swim in here, it's a little hard, then you can get into my crawl space tunnel, which leads up into my base.
Now I have a way to get up to the top of my house.
Bro, you just missed a coal vein.
I know there's a coal. I know that there's a coal vein in there, but I didn't want to use it. I didn't want to mine it, cause then. Yeah, pretty. I'd say. Pretty good. Did I just see a hole? Oh yeah, there's a hole. I should probably fill that in. And then
Can I
place it.
still hand some Squidward to you guys?
No, I think you're Steve. Okay. Yep, that's my safe way up and down the mountain that I finished
Wait.
right after Todd made his.
Where's your safe way down the mountain, Henry?
Ethan,
Oh
follow.
my god, there's skeletons down there! Go, there's skeletons!
I'm fighting them with a pickaxe.
Why? Why do you put skeletons? You put skeletons down there?
No, I can't put them down here. There's just not enough light, and I don't feel like wasting my last 3 torches. I can fight them off with a pickaxe. Ethan, where are you? Ethan, meet me by the pond. I'll show you my safe way down.
Remember how you're like, there was a safe way down the mountain the whole time? And I'm like,
Yeah.
no, I just made it.
You made it.
Me.
Yeah, I know.
Crazy,
You
right?
didn't care to tell me, so I didn't keep dying at the mountain.
Hold on, Ethan. Here, just follow me.
I'm still heading for Squidward, aren't I?
No.
Awesome little kid.
Yeah. Here, Ethan, come down in this little pool.
Ugh. Oh god, do not miss the water.
Okay, so go into your swim position, and then look. I have a little crawl space tunnel up to the top of the mountain.
And there's so many zigzags.
And then now I'm up in the pond.
Why do all of these end up leading to the pond?
Because,
It's the best place to build crawl space tunnel.
yeah.
Guys, you're gonna harvest your wheat.
No. Only harvest some of it.
I just came up the mountain to then go back down the mountain to come up the mountain because I didn't get enough wood. My house looks so incomplete right now.
Hey, both of my houses. Todd, can you replant the seeds?
A minute.
Wait. Why did I always get...
You still have all that bread you've had since Catcraft 1?
No.
I watched all your videos.
I actually do not have that bread, but I do have bread because I've been making bread. That is like my only food source.
I know. I watched all of your episodes, and I was referring to that.
Yeah. I don't have that bread still. I ate all of that.
I don't have any food.
What, Kylo Ren? Yeah, I know it's a bit zigzaggy.
Or like zigzagoon.
Oh no, Kylo Ren, that's the wrong way. That leads to a coal vein I found. This is the way down. And onto a little pool I made. I said I liked. Why is there the thing in the middle? Oh, okay.
So are we gonna get to the point where we try to beat the Ender Dragon?
Yeah, but the first step is go to the end. I mean, nether, not end.
True.
Well, no, actually, no. We're completing the first step right now, gathering materials. 'Cause that's technically the first step to beating the game is gathering materials.
Where are we gonna fight it?
In the nether.
Okay.
Wait, are you talking about the Wither?
Yeah, we're gonna fight the Wither, then the Ender Dragon.
The Wither isn't real.
The
It's
Wither?
a mod.
What?
It's a mod.
No, the Wither is real.
Well, yeah, but you have to buy a mod to get it.
No.
I'm not gonna be participating in the Wither video. I'm gonna watch it. I'm not fighting a Wither. No, I'm not.
The Wither, all you need is 4 soul. No, you need 4 soul sand and 3 Wither skulls. You don't need a mod. I am sleeping.
So I could build it in creative mode and we could fight it.
Yes, but we're gonna do it in survival, which means we have
We're
to.
not gonna make it to the end. We're not gonna make it to that point. we're not gonna live through that.
You never know, we might.
I'll be fighting the Wither on my Switch.
Okay. Yeah, guys, just so you know, the Wither video will probably be like episode 20, if not 40.
Yeah,
No, episode 40.
We're not close enough to.
Yeah. We need full iron armor and iron gear. We don't have like any iron. No, netherite. No, we don't need netherite to fight it. It's actually not that hard to fight. If you have the proper gear, it's not that hard to fight.
Yeah, can you not pocket sugar skulls like you can't with gas?
No, I don't think you can. Also, can everyone sleep?
How much do you need?
Who's not sleeping?
Me. I need to build a bed, but I don't have wool.
Huh.
The sheep got out. The sheep's got out.
It's because someone placed a block over here.
Ethan, go to bed.
Oh, wait, I'm going to bed.
Hold on, no. Okay, guys, hold on. I'm not going to bed because I need to save the sheep. Someone let the sheep out. Okay, you're back in. Where's our other sheep? No, this isn't good. We need 2 sheep. Where's our other sheep?
I just need some wool for my own bed.
I have a bed I can give you. But the problem is, someone let out our sheep because they don't want to use the gate. Okay. Ben, I'm going to need to steal your sheep and put it in here for now. And then,
Never.
love and love. Okay. Okay.
He was starting to go himself about Ben because he's taking one of his sheep.
Yeah, I had to take Ben's sheep because our other sheep is missing. So I had to breed Ben's sheep with another sheep with their only remaining sheep. And my kitten came back. Okay.
Can I just get
Okay.
some colored wool here?
No. Ethan, here's a bed. Oh. Ow. Dusky tried to bite me. I think. Oh, great kitten. Also, guys, if you want to see me do YouTube videos on my IRL channel with Dusky, comment down in the comment section down below if you want me to. Also, like and subscribe because, you know what? I just feel like saying that early. Why is there a cow in our sheep pen? There's a cow in the sheep pen. Sorry, sir, but I'm going to have to, you know, kind of end you because...
Did you just say that?
I'm going to have to... Oh, no. Baby sheep.
Don't.
Come on. No, okay. I need to find a way to only get the green sheep out. Okay.
Can our next video be a Roblox video?
Maybe. Okay.
We should play Rage Runner.
I've never played that game. Oh, Ben, now I wish you didn't steal all the leads. Oh, wait, no! There's leads in this chest. Thank goodness. Okay. I'm going to lead you, green sheep. Come on. Come on. No, come on. No! Okay, the red sheep got out. Okay. Okay. Come. Red sheep, get in here. No. Okay. Come on, green sheep. Green sheep, come on. Come on. Okay.
I have enough slabs to make a roof of slabs.
Nice. Okay. Sheep. No. Sheep. Hey. Come on. No.
Oh yeah, here's a Minecraft hack for you. Lesson Minecraft hacks with Throne Path 2263. That's me, Ethan. But if you have 64 slabs and no blocks, use the slabs. Doesn't matter what type of slab they are, right? Does it?
No, I guess not.
Guys, I want to play Roblox.
Don't steal my beef.
Can our next video be a Roblox?
Maybe. I'm going down the mountain in my crawl space tunnel. Down to the bottom.
You know what I
of
just
the
realized?
mountain.
My floor is grass. I don't want a grass floor.
Then get more wood.
Oh, guys, I know what our next video should be.
What?
Epic survival base.
Whoa! Hey, Skelly. I'm gonna beat up a skeleton with a pickaxe. I just beat up a skeleton
I
with a
found stone.
pickaxe. You found what?
No.
You found stone?
Yeah.
Stones everywhere. I hate to break it to you, but
I can make a stone sword now.
yeah. Okay. I have so much cobblestone from this crawl space
But I'm
tunnel.
not getting any stone. Why am I not getting stone?
You're getting cobblestone because you don't have a fortune pickaxe. I mean, a silk touch pickaxe.
I know how you can get regular stone.
Yeah, you have to.
I've been mining it, but I haven't been picking it up.
Oh, your inventory is full then. Or do you have cobblestone? You're probably just getting cobblestone. Because that's what you get instead of regular stone. What?
You have to mine stone with a pickaxe to get it?
Yeah.
I think so.
Oh, well, I haven't been doing that.
Guys, are we still recording?
You've been punching it?
Guys, are we still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, if anybody wants some moss, I will gladly exchange moss for valuables like gold or iron. So, stop a campfire! Set me on fire. Thank goodness there's water, so I didn't die. Cause you're out of hunger.
Yeah.
Do you only have 3 pieces of hunger left?
I have
Who put dirt in front of my crawl space tunnel?
Not me.
Alright, I think I'm gonna die soon. So
Oh, yeah.
that'll be my 4th death.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sitting on my foot funny on the wooden chair again. Does not feel good, guys. Please get us to 1,000 subs so I can make enough money to get a gaming chair. I really need it. Kylo, what is this?
You know what I really want to get? I want to get a dog.
You want to get a dog? In Minecraft? Oh, Greensword, what are these trapdoors for? In the pool?
Literally nothing. I just like the way that they look by the pool.
Oh, okay.
The way to get to the other side.
I can't swim back. I'm gonna die. I don't have any food.
I'm coming down with bread.
Hurry, please. Now I can
guys, is it night yet? Oh no, Axolotl. Axolotl, no, you're not going into my crawl space tunnel. Okay, baby sheep, can you not can you not just be at the gate here?
Why is there just a random block here?
I don't know.
Alright. Now I'm going to craft.
Why is there a random crafting table here?
Henry, I need to show you something.
What?
Follow me.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you see missing?
Your trapdoor.
I'm not looking at it. I'm not using it anymore.
What time are we going to end this video?
Oh, next time it's night. Tom, why aren't you using it anymore?
And no real reason.
Cause I want to see if the, wait, have you uploaded the build battle yet?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and besides, remember, I gotta edit it. Cause
Edit
we
it.
made it way too long. Cause people kept asking, give us more time.
They should have just been ready. And I kind of want to see who wins it.
Yeah. So, you're only using the pool entrance now? Green Sword, are you only using the pool entrance now? Green Sword?
Yeah?
Are you only using the pool entrance now?
Yeah.
Oh. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna sit in. Guys, wait. Yeah, this is my base. Okay. Guys, hold on.
So, leave a comment on this video if you want to see us plant 20 million Minecraft trees. Because I kind of want to do that. How about you, Todd?
What?
Do you want to plant 20 million Minecraft trees?
And now pass it.
I mean, it'd be fun, yes, but tiring, yes. And we'd probably have to break it up into parts.
Is it night?
Oh, it's about to be, yeah.
Okay. It is night.
Alright. I think we end the video on this note. Oh,
Yeah.
come on!
What?
I'm on fire!
Oh. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome content. Also,
And don't forget to comment to plant 20 million Minecraft trees.
and if I should do Minecraft videos with my cat, I'm not Minecraft videos. If I should do videos with my cat on my other channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see ya next time.